Hello everyone and welcome back to a very special video series of Meet the Blushins. I'm your girl Blushin Mommy and we are talking about Pregnancy and Infant Loss Awareness Month. This video will be about how to cope with your sudden pregnancy and infant loss. First things foremost, if you feel like harming yourself or committing suicide, please seek medical attention. I cannot stress that enough. When a woman suddenly loses a pregnancy and or infant, she often goes through very deep and dark emotions. And sometimes these emotions really spiral out of control. So again, if you feel like harming yourself, please seek medical attention. Okay, now let's talk about the different ways to cope when you suddenly lose a pregnancy and or infant. The first one is a hard one, and it's one I still struggle with, and that is do not blame yourself. It's very easy to blame yourself. You keep thinking, okay, maybe if I did this, I would still be pregnant. Maybe if I did that, I would still have my child. Honestly, you did the best you very could under the circumstances given. So try very hard not to blame yourself. The second point, and this is a tough one, do not blame others unless it is necessary. And the reason for that annotation is there are certain circumstances where blaming another person is necessary. For example, violence or an accident, like a car accident. But there are many circumstances where it is not necessary. Sometimes the other person, be it your partner, friend, family member, even your doctor, could not have foreseen pregnancy loss, infant loss. So blaming them just would not be fair. So even though you would love to blame your doctor, your friends, your family, your partner, unless it is necessary, like they are the cause for the pregnancy and the infant loss, do not blame them. Third point, laugh. Yes, laugh. Now, I'm not talking about laughing at your loss. I am referring to laughing at something funny. If you're watching a movie and a funny scene comes on, laugh. It's funny. Laugh will actually help bring out more emotions and it's a great stress relief. Laugh. It'll make you feel better. Which leads to the next point. Cry. I'm not talking about the little soft, quiet, no one can hear you cry. I'm talking about the big, ugly, your whole body is convulsing type of cry. As a matter of fact, I'll keep it real. I had one of those last night thinking about my Ethan. It will make you feel tons better. Even if you have to have a few of those cries in a day, in a week, in a month, it will make you feel better. It will release all these pent up emotions inside of you, and you can also properly mourn the loss of your pregnancy and your child. The fifth point, journal or seek therapy. Some people don't feel comfortable speaking to a therapist, so I recommend journaling your emotions. Journal the good, the bad, the ugly, the funny, the random. Just get all that out on paper. You don't even have to look at it ever again. Just get it out in the open and then leave it. It will make you feel better. For those who do want to seek therapy, I do suggest if you have a partner, you can have couples therapy. Me and Max, we went to couples therapy after Ethan, and it really did help us, and it helped our marriage as well. For those who want to seek therapy alone, I do recommend that as well. As long as you're getting your emotions out, a lot of women feel that if they keep their emotions bottled up and present that they're fine and everything's okay, it'll all just kind of go away and disappear. And that is the farthest thing from the truth. If anything, your emotions will get worse. Your feelings will get worse. That's why I'm telling you to cry, to laugh, to journal, to seek therapy, because your body, your mind, your sanity, it needs it. Last thing, say your angel's name. My angel's name, I have two of them. One is Jellybean, my early miscarriage. My second one is Ethan, my late term loss, Ethan Michael. Say your angel's name. If you didn't have a chance to give your angel a name, say baby, last name. Or with Jellybean, I was so early into my pregnancy when I lost Jellybean, that was the nickname me and my husband gave our baby. Acknowledge your baby. It doesn't matter if no one else does. We will get to that in another video. You carried that baby. That was your baby, your flesh, your blood. Acknowledge your baby. Recognize your baby. Once again, this is your girl, Blushin' Mommy from Meet the Blushins. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. And I will see you again soon. Stay beautiful and blessed.